Curried chicken meatloaf. That's what you're looking at right here. And it's very different than any other meatloaf you probably ever had. It's flavored with ginger and garlic and scallions and, of course, curry. And it comes with this little sauce here that is sweet with a little kick to it. You're gonna love it. It's hands down my favorite meatloaf ever. To make this delicious curried chicken meatloaf, you need to start by working on the sweet potatoes, spinach, garlic, ginger, and scallions. You want to chop these up into tiny pieces using either a food processor, or you can use a cheese grater with the largest holes for the sweet potatoes and then chop the remainder by hand. Now you'll just take all of your chopped veggies and you'll mix them in with your ground chicken and remaining seasonings, which are your curry powder, your salt, and your lime juice. Get that all mixed together really well with your hands, pop it into the loaf pan, and into the oven it goes. To make this amazing apricot ginger sauce, you're gonna put the jam, soy sauce, lime juice, ginger, and pepper all in the pan at the same time. Heat it up until it thickens, and that's it. Curried chicken meatloaf right out of the oven. There's gonna be a lot of juices on the side, so wait about 15 minutes before you cut into it. That way it can absorb them all back in. And then don't forget the sauce. This stuff is so incredibly good. You're gonna be really happy you made it. You'll find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.